Okay, I'm out here at Bell Canyon Trail going up to the waterfall, and I looked over and there's some mountain goats. That's pretty cool. Hopefully, I know it's my camera, so I know it's not the best image. That's as far as it zooms in anyway, I think. A little bit more. But it's gonna be blurry. But yeah. And the more you look, the more there are. It's hard to see with the video. Of course, the one time I don't bring my camera. I have my drone with me. I thought about flying it up to them, but that's probably not a good idea. I don't want to scare them. I saw a bunch more. I can see them. But yeah, they're dotted all along there. It's pretty out there. Yeah, pretty neat. Here's some more right up there. One of them was climbing just now. That one on the left was jumping. Let's see what these other ones do. Be cool if I could get one jumping. That squirrel is not happy that I'm over here. I wish I had a better camera. I already know what's gonna happen. As soon as I stop filming, they're gonna do something cool. But yeah, I just start to see them moving a little bit. Pretty neat.